Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have Nubia Neo 2 and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. Our first step to add it is open Google, or you must find your calendar application. It's calendar by Google there. And now we must tap on day when we want to add our event. We can change view for a month to be easily to add and tap on maybe 30. There is plus icon and event. First step, you can add title of your event, what you need. In this part you can add this event to your groups on Gmail members. There we can set when event starts and finish in which time, or we can set by switch on, it will be all day event. Repeat all that if we need it. There we can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when we event start, add location of that, notification, and you can add more than one notification. We can change color about this event, change color of notification about this event. There we can add description and attachment. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything. Press save, and we have it in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.